Are your marketing efforts missing that extra spark? Let's explore how visual storytelling can enhance your marketing and captivate your audience. Hi, I'm Michael Pacheco, fractional CMO for health and health-adjacent technology companies, and today I want to discuss the importance of visual storytelling in marketing and how it can elevate your strategy. Visual storytelling is powerful because it combines the emotional impact of storytelling with the engaging nature of visuals. This combination can make your message more memorable and more impactful. Three things I want to chat about here. Number one, enhanced engagements. Visual content is more likely to catch and hold your audience's attention compared to text alone. People process visuals faster and are more engaged by images, videos, and infographics. Number two, better retention. Stories told through visuals are easier to remember. Visual storytelling helps your audience retain your message longer and recall it when making decisions. Number three is going to be the emotional connection aspect of things. Visuals can evoke emotions more effectively than words, and obviously storytelling can be incredibly emotionally captivating as well. By including visuals into your story, you can create deeper emotional connections with your audience, which can drive things like loyalty and action, people taking action with your brand in some way. Creating engaging visuals is key to successful visual storytelling. Here are some tips to help you craft visuals that will resonate with your audience. I've got 5 of them here. Number one is going to be know your audience. You want to understand the preferences and interests of your audience, and you want to tailor your visuals to meet their expectations and address their needs. Number two is going to be to use high-quality images, high-quality visuals, reflect the professionalism and the quality of your brand. It's a quality signal. You want to invest in good photography or high-resolution stock images. If you're doing AI stuff, maybe using something like Midjourney instead of ChatGPT. ChatGPT tends to not be as great. Their image generator's not quite as nice, certainly not as photorealistic or as detail-oriented as something like Midjourney is. You want to invest in those things to make your visuals polished, professional. Again, it's a quality signal of your brand. Number three is going to be to incorporate your brand elements, consistently using your brand colors, fonts, logos in your visuals, things like that. It's going to make it more recognizable as part of your brand. Number four is going to be to tell that story. Ensure that your visuals tell the same story as your story. You want the visuals to tell the story that aligns with your message. You want to make sure that happens. Number five is going to be to use video. Video content is highly engaging. It's versatile. It can do lots of different stuff. Using videos to demonstrate your products, to share customer testimonials, to provide educational content. It's a fantastic way to approach all of this. Let's look at some case studies, some examples of brands that have successfully used visual storytelling in their marketing. I've talked about this one before. Coca-Cola's Share a Coke campaign is fantastic. They personalized bottles with people's names, and it created this story around sharing and connection. I don't drink soda, I don't drink Coke, but I've seen it on the billboards and the names on the bottles at the store. It's this visual story that you see where each bottle has a different name on it and tells a story by itself, but the story that the visual is telling, right, the label on the soda or the billboard is the same story that Coke is telling in their commercial campaigns. Number two is going to be Airbnb Belong Anywhere campaign. They used stunning visuals of diverse travel experiences to tell stories of belonging and exploration. That approach helped build a strong emotional connection with Airbnb's travelers, with Airbnb's audience. Number three, as a case study example, is going to be National Geographic. National Geographic, their use of breathtaking, phenomenal, world-class photography and incredibly compelling visuals in their social media, in their publications, in any of their messaging, things that go out into the public, their marketing. It creates these incredibly immersive stories that captivate their audience. And then the story itself, right, the articles, especially in the publications, will do the educating. They're doing a fantastic job at this. In conclusion, visual storytelling is a powerful tool in marketing that can really enhance engagement. It can improve retention. It can create emotional connections with your audience. By understanding why visual storytelling matters, by creating engaging visuals, and learning from successful examples, you can incorporate visual elements like these into your own storytelling strategies effectively. So what I want you to do now is reflect on your current marketing strategy. Got 3 questions for you. Here's number 1. How effectively are you using visuals in your storytelling for your company today? Question number 2. What types of visual content resonate most with your audience? This shouldn't be a gut feeling answer. You can go out, you can do a survey, you can talk to your customers, find out, get the actual answer, use data, and ask them, what types of visual content resonate most with your audience? Find out. Test it. Another way you can do this is by testing it. You can use different kinds of visual storytelling and track the results of those. If you're doing social media posts, which ones are getting the most engagement? There's different ways that you can approach. Question number 3, how can you incorporate more visual storytelling into your marketing efforts? How can you do it? Considering these questions can help you enhance your content and drive better results from your marketing campaigns, especially ones that involve storytelling, especially ones where there's opportunity for visuals, for imagery, things like that. So if you're struggling to incorporate visual elements into your storytelling strategies, I'm here to help. Reach out to me, let's chat. It's completely free. I have absolutely nothing to sell you. And my only goal here is to provide you with actionable value that you can apply directly to your business. You can get at me on LinkedIn or by reaching out to me directly on my website, michaelpacheco.co. If you found this video helpful in any way, please give it a like and let me know in the comments what was valuable for you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you're watching this on YouTube. And if you're listening to this as a podcast, please give us a review on whatever platform it is that you're listening on. All of these things help us reach more businesses, and it helps us help more businesses. That's our big goal here. So thank you for doing what you do. I am Michael Pacheco. As ever, cheers, take care, and we'll see you next time.